What's up, guys? Just wanted to talk to you real quick about this GoPro mount. This is a suction cup mount, and typically I use this to film a lot of time lapses in the front of our vehicle. I stick it right up on the windshield and just clamp it down like that, and it holds really nicely. You can see that it has a really big suction cup and never had any issues with it falling or getting displaced or anything like that. So basically you just put it on, clamp it, and it's good to go. It also has a couple different ways you can adjust it right here, up and down, so you can actually swing it so you can film yourself or anything else in the car. We do full-time content creation, so we use it for a lot of interview style videos and things like that. Also has another way to adjust it, which is a swivel from side to side, so you can move this back and forth. Really handy, and allows you to get a wide variety of shots and different placements around the vehicle. One of the things I'm always concerned with these is, can I move it around once I've stuck it on once? And I can say I've moved it around our entire converted van here that we've been living out of, and probably stuck it on 10-15 different window placements, and it keeps holding really nicely. Just make sure your window is nice and clean and you're pretty much good to go. So if you're looking for a really good GoPro mount, I would highly recommend this one. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.